Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add and remove filters from favorites on VSCO. So, first of all, you want to open the VSCO app, then you want to go to the studio, which is in the center bottom. Then you want to select a photo that you would like to edit. So let's maybe choose this one right here and click the editing button right here. And then, as you can see, we have all presets available on the VSCO. And let's say that I want to maybe add this one, or maybe this one. No, let's choose another one. Maybe this one right here. Okay, and now if I want to add it to favorites, I just want to hold it and swipe to the top to make the star, as you can see, from the white background to the black background, and the star is going to be white right now. And now, as you can see, preset AU5 is favorited. So now if I want to delete it, let's just click on the presets, and you wanna search for favorites, which is right here. So click on the favorites, and now, as you can see, we have the AU5 preset right now. And if we hold it and do the same action, we are going to remove it from favorites. And this is going to work all the same with another presets, or filters. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!